DP 100 most expected MCQs. 1. Development is A. Discontinuous, B. Continuous, C. Sudden, D. Random. Answer B. Growth refers to A. Mental change, B. Social change, C. Physical change, D. Emotional change. Answer C. Cephalocaudal principle means A. Foot to head, B. Head to toe, C. Near to far, D. General to specific. Answer B. Proximodistal means A. Center to outward, B. Head to toe, C. Specific to general, D. Random growth. Answer A. Piaget gave theory of A. Moral development, B. Cognitive development, C. Emotional development, D. Social learning. Answer B. Object permanence appears in A. Pre-operational, B. Sensory motor, C. Formal, D. Concrete. Answer B. Egocentrism is seen in A. Formal stage, B. Sensory motor, C. Pre-operational, D. Concrete. Answer C. Conservation develops in A. Pre-stage, B. Concrete stage, C. Sensory motor, D. Formal. Answer B. Abstract thinking develops in A. Concrete, B. Formal, C. Pre, D. Sensory motor. Answer B. ZPD was given by A. Piaget, B. Skinner, C. Vygotsky, D. Thorndike. Answer C. MKO stands for A. More knowledgeable other, B. Mental knowledge order, C. Model knowledge option, D. None. Answer A. Scaffolding means A. Permanent support, B. Temporary support, C. No support, D. Punishment. Answer B. Kohlberg theory is related to A. Cognitive, B. Moral, C. Physical, D. Emotional. Answer B. First level of Kohlberg, A. Conventional, B. Pre-conventional, C. Post, D. Ethical. Answer B. Erikson stage 0 to 1 year, A. Autonomy, B. Trust versus mistrust, C. Identity, D. Industry. Answer B. Industry versus inferiority age, A. 0 to 1, B. 1 to 3, C. 6 to 12, D. 12 to 18. Answer C. Multiple intelligence theory by A. Gardner, B. Spearman, C. Binet, D. Sternberg. Answer A. IQ test developed by A. Binet, B. Gardner, C. Skinner, D. Erikson. Answer A. Classical conditioning by A. Skinner, B. Pavlov, C. Thorndike, D. Bandura. Answer B. Operant conditioning by A. Pavlov, B. Skinner, C. Piaget, D. Freud. Answer B. Law of effect by A. Thorndike, B. Skinner, C. Pavlov, D. Vygotsky. Answer A. Positive reinforcement means A. Reward, B. Punishment, C. Ignore, D. Fear. Answer A. Inclusive education means A. Separate school, B. Only special school, C. All learn together, D. None. Answer C. RTE Act year A. 2005, B. 2007, C. 2009, D. 2010. Answer C. Free education age A. 3 to 10, B. 6 to 14, C. 5 to 15, D. 7 to 16. Answer B. Short format Jari. Dyslexia relates to reading. Answer A. ADHD relates to attention. Answer B. Autism affects social interaction. Answer C. Formative assessment is continuous. Answer A. Summative assessment is final exam. Answer B. Diagnostic test finds weakness. Answer C. Development is lifelong. Answer A. Intelligence G factor Spearman. Answer B. Triarchic theory Sternberg. Answer C. Analytical intelligence Sternberg. Answer A. Assimilation means fit new info. Answer B. Accommodation means modify schema. Answer C. Animism seen in pre-stage. Answer A. Logical thinking begins concrete. Answer B. Identity crisis stage adolescence. Answer C. Reward increases behavior Skinner. Answer A. Conditioning is stimulus response Pavlov. Answer B. Law of readiness Thorndike. Answer C. Individual differences due to heredity and environment. Answer D. Social learning theory Bandura. Answer A. Observational learning Bandura. Answer B. Punishment decreases behavior. Answer C. Emotional intelligence Goleman. Answer D. Naturalistic intelligence Gardner. Answer A. Linguistic intelligence Gardner. Answer A. 51 to 60. Answer pattern 51A. Stimulus response theory behaviorism. Answer A. Conditioning based learning Pavlov. Answer B. Trial and error Thorndike. Answer C. Constructivism Piaget and Vygotsky. Answer A. Learning by doing constructivism. Answer A. Insight learning Kohler. Answer A. Cognitive map Tolman. Answer A. Discovery learning Bruner. Answer A. Spiral curriculum Bruner. Answer A. Readiness law Thorndike. Answer A. Question 61 to 80.
inclusive plus assessment. Inclusive education means all learn together. Answer A. CWSN means children with special needs. Answer B. Dyslexia, reading problem. Answer A. Dysgraphia, writing problem. Answer B. Dyscalculia, maths problem. Answer C. ADHD, attention disorder. Answer B. Autism, social communication issue. Answer C. RTE Act year A 2009. Answer A. Free education age 6 to 14. Answer B. 25% reservation in private schools. Answer A. Formative assessment continuous. Answer A. Summative assessment is final exam. Answer B. Diagnostic test finds weakness. Answer C. CCE continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Answer E. Evaluation means judgment. Answer A. Measurement means quantitative data. Answer B. Portfolio assessment student record file. Answer A. Peer assessment student evaluates student. Answer A. Self assessment student evaluates self. Answer A. Norm reference test compare with others. Answer B. Questions 81 to 100 MISC plus important concept. Heredity and environment both affect development. Answer B. Individual differences are natural. Answer B. Motivation increases learning. Answer C. Intrinsic motivation internal desire. Answer D. Extrinsic motivation reward based. Answer E. Creativity means new ideas. Answer C. Critical thinking logical analysis. Answer D. Remedial teaching extra support. Answer E. Guidance helps development. Answer D. Playway method child centered. Answer E. Child centered education focus on learner. Answer F. Teacher as affiliated constructivism. Answer G. Curriculum should be flexible. Answer H. Learning is active process. Answer I. Feedback improves learning. Answer J. Intelligence is not fixed completely. Answer K. Emotional development affects learning. Answer L. Social interaction improves cognition. Answer M. Development follows